Croatia's Ministry of Defense reported that the 1st Armored Mechanized Battalion, also known as Sokolovi, successfully conducted live-fire training with U.S.-supplied M2A2 ODS Bradley infantry fighting vehicles. The exercises took place at the Gasinci military training grounds near Dekovo and involved both daytime and nighttime operations, showcasing the versatility and accuracy of the vehicles. The Croatian crews demonstrated their proficiency in operating the Bradley's 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun and the 7.62mm M240 coaxial machine gun, achieving precise firing results under various lighting conditions. This training was part of a larger initiative to integrate the Bradley vehicles into Croatia's military forces. The first 4 M2A2 ODS Bradleys were delivered in January 2025, marking the start of a significant $196.4 million acquisition program. With additional units expected by 2026, this purchase is aimed at modernizing the Croatian military, particularly the 1st Armored Mechanized Battalion. The program includes a total of 89 vehicles, providing operational units with advanced combat vehicles and enhancing Croatia's defense capabilities. The Bradley vehicles delivered to Croatia are based on the M2A2 ODS variant, which, while not featuring the most advanced systems available, still offers significant improvements over the older equipment it replaces. The Croatian Bradleys have undergone extensive refurbishments, including drivetrain overhauls, weapon system integrations, and updates to communication and electronic systems. The vehicles also received upgrades to their engines and transmissions to improve overall performance. Additionally, the installation of TOW anti-tank missile launchers further boosts their anti-armor capability, allowing Croatia to defend against modern threats such as advanced Russian tanks. Croatia's decision to procure the Bradley vehicles is part of a broader military modernization effort aimed at replacing older Soviet-era equipment. Specifically, the M2A2 Bradleys are intended to replace the aging BVP M-80 infantry fighting vehicles, which have been in service since the late 1970s. The BVP M-80, a Yugoslav-designed vehicle, was based on the Soviet BMP-1 and featured outdated systems that were no longer suitable for modern combat scenarios. The Bradley, with its advanced armament and armor, is a major step forward in Croatia's defense capabilities. This Bradley procurement is not only a leap forward for Croatia's military but also a reflection of the country's ongoing alignment with NATO standards. The acquisition is part of Croatia's broader strategy to modernize its armed forces and enhance its defense posture in line with NATO requirements. The Croatian military has also pursued other major acquisitions, such as the purchase of French Dassault Rafale multi-role fighters to replace its aging MiG-21 fleet and the planned acquisition of up to 50 German Leopard 2A8 tanks. These upgrades are complemented by Croatia's participation in NATO operations and its long-standing partnership with the United States, which has included military equipment transfers and joint programs, such as the Minnesota-Croatia National Guard Partnership. In conclusion, Croatia's military modernization efforts, exemplified by the integration of the M2A2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, represent a significant leap toward a more capable and resilient defense force. As the country continues to upgrade its military assets, it is strengthening its position within NATO and enhancing its ability to respond to contemporary threats on the global stage.